Morning children, I am Siva, your math teacher. So today we learn discussing about the topic integers. So today we learn discussing about the topic integers. So first we learn discussing about the natural numbers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers. Natural numbers starting with 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, infinity. So natural numbers is called 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, infinity. So set of 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, infinity is called the natural numbers. So natural numbers another name countable numbers. Natural numbers another name countable numbers. So natural numbers, the smallest natural number is 1. Smallest natural number. The smallest natural number is 1. The largest natural number is not defined. The largest natural number is not defined. Next one, whole numbers. Whole numbers. Whole numbers. So, what is called whole numbers? Whole numbers means 0 including natural numbers. 0 and including natural numbers is called the whole numbers. So, whole numbers starting with 0. Whole numbers starting with 0. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, infinity. So on, infinity. So, the smallest whole number is 0. Smallest whole number. The smallest whole number is 0. The largest whole number is not defined. The largest whole number is not defined. So, whole numbers are denoted by capital W. Whole numbers are denoted by capital W. Next one, integers. Integers.
Start.
So next one, integers. So integers means set of negative numbers. Set of negative numbers and whole numbers, including with whole numbers, is called the integers. So set of negative numbers and whole numbers is called the integers. So on. -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on, infinity. So on, infinity. Set of negative numbers and whole numbers. Set of negative numbers including with whole numbers is called the integers. So today we are discussing about the topic integers. Integers means set of negative numbers and including whole numbers is called the integers. Is called the integers. So integers are denoted by capital I. Capital I are capital Z. Capital I are capital Z. Integers are denoted by capital I are capital Z. Another one, natural numbers are denoted by capital N. So natural numbers are denoted by capital N. Whole numbers are denoted by capital W. Integers are denoted by capital I R Z. Capital I R Z. The smallest integer is not defined. The smallest integer is not defined. The largest integer is -1. The largest.
Start.
The largest integer in negative numbers. The largest integer in negative numbers is -1. In negative numbers. In negative numbers. In negative numbers. The largest integer in negative numbers is -1. The largest integer is not defined. The largest integer is not defined. The largest integer is not defined. Next one. Okay, next one. Write the integers between the pairs of integers given below. Also choose the biggest and smallest integers. Biggest and smallest integers. Pairs of between integers. So example, minus 5 comma minus 10. Write the between integers minus 5 comma minus 10. So minus 6, minus 7, minus 8 and minus 9. So minus 5 comma minus 10 between integers, minus 6 comma minus 7 comma minus 8 comma minus 9. Here the smallest integer and the biggest integer. The smallest integer and the biggest integer. So the smallest integer is minus 9. The biggest integer is minus 6. So between the integers minus 5 comma minus 10, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9. Here the smallest and biggest integer. The smallest integer is minus 9. The biggest integer is minus 6. Next one, another example. Write the between integers 3 comma minus 2. Write the between integers 3 comma minus 2. So write the between integers 3 comma minus 2. So 2 comma 1 comma 0 comma minus 1. Write the between integers 3 comma minus 2. Here 2 comma 1 comma 0 comma minus 2 minus 1. So here the smallest and biggest integers. The smallest and biggest integers. So first write the smallest integers. Smallest integer is minus 1. The smallest integer is minus 1. The biggest integer is 2. The biggest integer is 2. So 3 comma minus 2 between integers are 2 comma 1 comma 0 comma minus 1. Here the smallest integer is minus 1 and the biggest integer is 2. Okay, next one. Write the following integers in ascending order and descending order. So what is called ascending order? Small to big number. Small to big number. What is called descending order? Big to small. Big to small. So write some examples. Next, minus 10. One example, minus 2, minus 8, 2, 1, 0, minus 4 and minus 10. So, first write in ascending order. Ascending order. So ascending order means small to big. So small to big. Here the smallest integer is what? Minus 10. The smallest integer is minus 10. Comma. Next one smallest number. Next one is minus 8. Next one minus 2. Minus 4. Next one minus 2. Next one 0. Next one 1. Next one 2. So ascending order means small to big number. Ascending order means small to big number. Here the smallest integer is minus 10. Next one minus 8. next one minus 4, another one minus 2, next one 0, next one 1, next one 2. So small to big number, increasing order. Ascending order, increasing order, and small to big number, Next one, same example, write in the descending order. Write in the descending order. So descending order means big to small number. Descending order means big to small number. Here the biggest integer is 2. Next one 1. Next one 0. Next one minus 2. Next one minus 4. Next one minus 8. Next one minus 10. So big to small number. Descending order means big to small number. So given example, the biggest whole number is biggest integer is 2. Next one is 1. Next one is 0. Next one is minus 2. Next one is minus 4. Next one is minus 8. Next one is minus 10. Okay, next one. Representation of the integers on the number line. So for example, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, 2, 4, 8, 5. So representation on the number line. So first one, draw the number line. Draw a number line. In the between 0, right side is positive numbers, write the positive numbers, and 0 left side is negative numbers. So 0 right side is positive numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And the 0 left side is negative numbers. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, and minus 6. 0 right side is positive numbers and 0 left side is negative numbers. 0 is bigger than 1, is bigger than 2. So 0 right side is positive number, 0 left side is negative number. So let we look at the numbers on the number line. First one is minus 5. Minus 5 is a negative number. So minus 5. Next to minus 4. Minus 4 also negative number. And minus 3. And next one 2. 2 is a positive number. 0 right side. 2 and 4. 4 is also positive number. 0 right side on the number line. Next one 8. 8 also positive number. Next to 5. So 5 also positive number and 0 right side. So any numbers, any integers. So some given integers are representation on the number line. So this symbol is indicated. This arrow mark is indicates. So the line is extended infinitely. Positive numbers are extended infinitely and negative numbers also extended infinitely. So another example. So 0 is right side is positive number, 0 is left side is negative numbers. Okay, children. Thank you. This next topic after this video.